What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to receive ER20 USDT on Ledger Nano X. So, you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, first things first is you want to access your Ledger account. So, you want to go ahead and click on the wallet icon at the left panel here. So, you should see a wallet icon. Go ahead and press on it. Now, from here, you want to go and click on the add account option that you see at the very bottom of your screen. Now, since we want to receive USDT here, what you need to do is you want to go and choose the option here that corresponds to what crypto you want to basically add here. Go and click on choose a crypto asset and choose the crypto currency that you want to basically use here. Now, by the way, just to give you some information here, make sure to choose the cryptocurrency with the correct network. So go ahead and choose the network or the cryptocurrency that has the correct network for it. But once you've selected that, what you need to do next is you want to go ahead and click on receive at the bottom right of your screen. Now, once you click on the receive option here, it should redirect you to this section. Now, from here, the receive section, what you need to do is you want to go and choose the what account that you want to credit to. So go ahead and click on your account here and choose USDT. So what we just recently added. Click on continue at the bottom right here. Once you've done that, what we need to do is you just need to follow the on-screen steps here in order for you to make the transfer. So in this case, you want to go and click on connect and lock your device here. Go ahead and basically connect your device. And from then on, you should be able to see the address for it. So you can go ahead and copy the code for it and just use it in whatever way you want. So wherever you're transferring your funds from. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.